Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra and I'm back with a wig review and a quick demo on a wig that I received from Divaswigs on Instagram in exchange for an Instagram video. So I figured why not do a review and let you guys know the tea on this wig. First things first, this is the box that the wig came in. Opening it up, this is everything that's inside. You have a wig brochure. They gave me a wig cap which comes in black. They have the wig, of course, in a satin bag, and then inside of that it's like in a plastic bag, and then we also have a brush with the divaswigs.com logo on it. And then I like the fact that they also added an additional elastic band so that way you can clamp on the inside of the wig. So this is the wig here in the style Barbara. She is a lace frontal wig. She is 100% Indian hair as per the brochure. She's 14 inches long. The density is 150, and it comes with the camo knots, which is like the less noticeable knots. I guess that means that you don't have to bleach them if you don't want to, but of course I'm going to go ahead and bleach them anyway. And then this is universal lace, which means that it goes on any skin type. And it also comes with a realistic hairline. So now I'm just throwing her on top of my block wig head, and I'm just adjusting her so that way I can T-pin her down and see what exactly I want to do as far as the color, because I didn't want to leave it the color that it came. So as you can see, I'm brushing through it, and the hairline looks pretty good, guys. Minimal baby hair, which I love. I do not like a whole lot of baby hair on my wigs. And honestly, this hairline looks really good. I don't even feel as though I have to pluck it. I'll probably go in just a tiny bit, but so far so good. You can see the knots, but not as noticeable as normal knots. I will say they might be slightly bleached. I'm not 100% sure on that. But what I do know is that this hairline looks super realistic. This is coming straight out of the bag, guys. I have not customized it. So now we're going to go in with some quick blue, some clear off 40 volume, and I'm going to actually color this with the Arctic Fox Sunset Orange. Here's my daughter Olivia. She's going to be my little helper today. So I told her to say hi to you guys, and we are going to start bleaching this wig. The reason why I sectioned the wig at first was because I wanted to do a whole bunch of different colors, but because I had my 6-year-old helping me, well, actually 7-year-old helping me, I decided to section it off and just to see how high it lifted, and then we'll take the color from there. So that's why I changed the color from yellow to orange, because once I did lift the unit, it did not lift as high as I wanted it to, and I didn't want to over process the hair. So this is us just putting the bleach on the unit, and we're just going to go ahead and do our thing real quick. Okay, so now we're finally done applying the bleach all over, and this is the color that we got it to lift to. So it's like a golden color. I'm going to let it sit. As you can see, the ends are still kind of dark, and then I'll be right back. So once I lifted it, the color that's actually showing in the back of this wig, that honey blonde looking color, is the color that it lifted to. And of course, the yellow was not going to show on that. So I decided to just apply the orange color just on the front 3 sections from ear to ear. And then I left the color in the back as is, just to give it a little bit of dimension. So here I am just using some T-pins to place the wig how I want it. And then I'm going in with the rat tail comb and applying my part. I like a curved side part for most of my hairstyles, so I'm just going to put that in really quick. And then I'm just using the brush that they provided, and I'm just going to brush the hair out just a tiny bit. Since this color is so vibrant, I wanted to go for like a more wild exotic look, so I was going to flat iron it first and then wave it, but I decided to just wave the hair on its own just to give it a little bit of volume and texture, so that way when I'm ready to style it, it gives you like that messy kind of look. So here I am just showing you how I'm using my crimper, and I'm just going in and adding a couple loose waves to this hair to give it a little bit of edge, honey. Let's go. I will say, even though orange is one of my least favorite colors, I do like how this wig came out with the different color like golds and oranges. I just felt like it was really cute, and since I had the sunset orange just sitting around my house, I decided to just go ahead and use it. So this is the wig on my head once I'm done crimping it. As you can see, the lace is blending with my skin pretty well, and it's not even cut. So now I'm just playing around, kind of see how I want to style it, and I'm going to go in with my bold hold as I always use. I love bold hold. I stand by their product fully, and I'm just gonna apply that in front of my hairline. You do not want to get this on your hair. I got a little bit on the sides of my hair, but it's okay. I'm a licensed stylist. I know how to get it off, but I do not recommend putting this on your hair. Just put it in front of your hairline. So now I'm pulling the wig down, and I'm just placing it right where I placed that glue, holding it down for about 10 seconds, and then I'm doing left to right. I like to do one side at a time, so that way it doesn't come out crooked or it lines up where I need it to line up. I almost got it perfectly the first try, but as you can see, some spots look kind of light. That's because of 2 reasons. One, the edges weren't all the way down, so I just went back in with a little bit more bold hold. And also, my ring light is bright as hell, so it's reflecting off of my skin, kind of making me have like a white cast on my skin as far as my lace. But I'll show you guys at the end up close how it looks in person. And I'm just sitting here being goofy, my normal self, and letting it dry. I did go ahead and apply some baby hairs, and I'm just going to show you guys a couple ways that I styled this wig. The makeup look I'm rocking today is by Makeup by Tiffany J. I found her on YouTube. She is phenomenal when it comes to slaying hair and makeup. So I wanted to plug her in, and I will also add her information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.